The corpse of a 12-year-old school student was recovered in deep forest who went missing on 6 June. The deceased student name is Tripura. Incident took place in Assam Chandrapara. Monobongol outpost police rushed to the spot on receiving the information. A 12-year-old school student Amit Tripura, son of Gonendra Tripura, a resident of Bishnupur ADC village under Sabrum police station, went missing since June 6. Locals found the body hanging in a deep forest some distance from their home in Assam Chandrapara on Monday. Immediately, Monobongol outpost police were informed about the incident. After receiving the information, a police team reached the spot and started investigating the incident. The deceased Amit Tripura, a student of Radmani School in Vaishnapur, Sabrum. However, the police and the deceased family have no idea whether he was killed by someone or it was a suicide. Police are yet to find out the mystery behind the death. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.